Hi there, I'm Miguel. You know, I may be in this chair, but my imagination, it can take me anywhere, and that's so cool. Abuela always says God's creation is beautiful. And wow, she's so right.
Mijo, would you like to go to the park?
Yes, Abuela, I can't wait to see all the animals. Sometimes I imagine I can talk to the animals, like that bird over there. Hey little birdie, how's the view from up there?
Beautiful, my friend. I was just singing to Jesus.
Really? That sounds amazing. And you, Mrs. Squirrel, is your home comfy?
It's the best. God always provides for us animals.
I'm so glad. I hope you all know how special you are. You see, in my imagination, they can understand me. Oh, look at Abuela in my imagination talking to the animals. Sitting here imagining is just amazing. Oh, look. A butterfly landed on my hand. I wonder what he's thinking. I just love this day. Now, every time I see an animal, I remember we're all part of God's amazing creation. If you're in a wheelchair, remember this. It does not stop your imagination. So, that's my story. Pretty cool, huh? I wonder what amazing things you'll discover in God's creation.